Hello, good evening students. Myself Professor A.S. Milinmani. Today we started electrical machine design class. Afternoon, few students may be attended or may not be attended. Once again, I am repeating today's class highlights. So electrical machine design is one of the core subject or backbone of the electrical engineering. So this can offers a wide variety or chances to meet the challenges of electrical design aspect in different manufacturing units. Either it may be in transformer, either it may be motors, either it may be of synchronous machines. This is a course which includes the study of different type of mathematical expressions and different type of output expressions and no load current estimation and leakage reactance estimation of transformer, of AC machines, of DC machines, and you have to know some design limitations, and you have to know the different type of circuits: electric circuit, magnetic circuit, dielectric circuit, with the choice of materials, different type of available materials, that may be conducting materials or insulating materials or magnetic materials. Which type of materials are to be selected, that is left to designer. Hence, what type of material is suitable for machines, what type of machine material is suitable in transformer or type of transformer, it is very important. So why this subject is required, that is also one of the very important. After studying this course, you are able to apply the design principles for consumer satisfaction design, or you are able to apply the design steps or design procedures or mathematical expressions to design a economical design of machines or transformers or a electrical system. Or best opportunity, it is also possible to design energy efficient machines. For this prerequisite, what is the basics required, that is already previous semesters you have studied electrical DC machines concepts, AC machines as well as transformers. A little bit materials behavior is required. So the creative physical realization of theoretical concepts is known as design. Engineering design is the application of science, technology and invention to produce a machine to perform a specified task. The design may be mainly focus on maximum economy, that means less cost and more efficiency. This is the one of object mainly required. All designs are mainly focused on economy and higher efficiency. Engineering is one, that means economical application of scientific principles to solve the practical problem. Any discipline of engineering, it provides the economical solutions for practical problems. The main factors of design are cost and durability. Now you can see there, cost is also important, durability is also important, but in one machine both doesn't meet in one design. That means either you design a cost, either you design durability. This statement is conflicting. Now you take two examples, machine A and machine B. If I take the cost as important, then machine A is best choice. If you are consider long life as a main object, then machine B is best choice. Now another important concept Major considerations in good design. This is one of the VTU question paper interest. First you write factors. What are the major considerations? Number 1, cost. Number 2, durability. Number 3, compliance with performance as laid down in specification. Already we have seen cost. The main object of the design is cost. Always economical is more needed, more popular. Hence we have to design the electrical machine in such a manner it should be economical. But another object is not possible, durability or long life. If you are designing economical, you concentrate on economical only, but secondary becomes durability. If you design a durability as first case, then it needs good quality of materials, good quality of technology or innovative ideas or skilled engineer. Automatically this machine becomes costly. Hence at a same stretch it is not possible to design an electrical machine. Both objects, that may be cost, that may be durability. Hence a good designer is one who balance between cost and durability as per situation, as per consumer requirements. Number 3, compliance with performance criteria as per in specifications. That means designer has to design to meet the consumer needs, consumer specifications, and the designer is coordinates between manufacturer and consumer. Manufacturer manufactures, consumer uses, designer designs, but designer has to concentrate both on consumer, on manufacturer, because designed products are more saleable or more available. That means consumer use, consumer when takes the machine, consumer requirement it meets. Hence we have to design as per consumer interest. Now you see there different type of motors or industrial applications, depends on motors, pump set motor, car washing motors, free fighting motors. Later on, later introduction in electrical vehicles, electric cars, electric trucks. That means slowly transportation is also fulfilling by electricity and electric cars, electric buses. In future day we may expect electricity based transportation system in India and in abroad. After studying the module number 1, what type of questions you may expect to develop your skills or to face the exam? This is the module number 1. Different type of questions are there, different type of RBT levels are there. Thank you to one and all.